Hey everyone, welcome to this channel. So in this video, today we are explore that what are the AI tools in Canva so that we can explore it in this video. So don't skip it and let's deep dive into that. Before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel for more videos. And let's see. Okay, so let me open that any one of the templates actually. So I'm going to create some YouTube video template and create with the blank actually. So let me click it. Here it is. So page now it's loaded actually. So the first thing I'm going to explain with what are the AI tools regarding with that images actually. So in that I'm already uploaded some of the images. So I can just take one of the image. So this is the AI generated image by that Leonardo. So in that image, so in that part I'm just click that edit photo, and in that there is a bg remover is there, so it will be within the second it will be removing that background of this image actually. Let me click it. Yeah, so here it is. Now background image is removed actually. So this is one thing, and that next part I can start that magic eraser, right? So let me show. So in that AI magic remover, so in that I can choose this image. So in that I can remove that any one of the balloon over there. So I can click edit photo, and there is a option called a magic eraser. So if I click that, so after that I can just brush it over there. As you see, the first initially three balloons are there. Now I just click that magic eraser over the third balloon, and now the balloon will be gone actually. So this is one thing, one of the AI tool with regarding with that image processing. So in that we can see that multiple shadows, autofocus, autofocus, and a blur and a duotone. So multiple things will be there. So based on that our need, we can implement over there. But AI level, we have a two tools. One is for BG remover, another one is for magic eraser. The next important AI tool is text to image generation. Now support it's in the Canva also. So let me show. I can go to the app section. So in that you can see the DID AI presentators. So and SharePoint and multiple apps will be there. So in that I can choose text to image. So in that I can choose. I can just type old man on the road. So I can just type it, and let me run it. So there is a multiple styles is there. So in that styles, whatever styles you need, just you can pick it over there. And in that part I can choose photo, and the old man on the road I just click it, and if I start the create your image, after that it will be taking some time and you will get the images. Yeah, so now you can see that old man on the road, there is a four images it generated. And so you can just whatever images you like it, so that you can you can just take it and you can put it in the your video or your images list actually in your Canva. So this is one major thing actually. So in that multiple uh, styles is there. So if you need animation or gradient or paint level, so whatever you need, so that you can click it, and you can just generate over there. And yeah, see, I just try with the 3D model. So in that there is a multiple 3D items will come. So as you can see that you can see the 3D models and photography things. So multiple styles it have. So you can use whatever you need, that you can use it. And if you're using the Canva, so these are the this text to image you can free to use, and a BG remover and a magic eraser. It's a pro for that actually. The next thing, we can create our own animation setup as you like it actually. So in previously other softwares, they are giving some preset animations like typing effect and fade in fade out like that they will give. And in that Canva it also gives, but you can create some additional animation things actually. So in that I'll choose that edit photo, and I will remove the background. So first I can take this this image only, so I can remove the background. Yeah, so now background is removed. So after that, I can just minimize it, and so I can click that animate option. So in that you can use that whatever basic you need, so that you can use it over there. And so there is a unique option will be there, create an animation. So in that you can just click it, and you can just drag it over there, and so I can do like that actually. So after that you can see that this is the original thing, and in that multiple options they give, this is a steady image. So if you click that, there is no wobbling, and no vibration over there actually. So it smoothly will play actually based on that. So if you see that, yeah. So and you can just click that save, and if you run that, you can see that that thing actually. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and consider to subscribe our channel for more videos like this in the future. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues who might find it useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.